Welcome to our guide on mastering the WAPS test, a pivotal step in advancing your Air Force career. The Weighted Airman Promotion System test consists of two critical components: the Promotion Fitness Examination, or PFE, and the Specialty Knowledge Test, known as SKT. These assess your knowledge of Air Force history and your specific job expertise. Understanding these tests' structure and significance is crucial for promotion. In this video, we'll explore essential strategies to help you excel and achieve your career goals. When preparing for the WAPS test, setting a realistic study schedule is your first step towards success. A structured timeline helps you pace your studies and avoid last-minute cramming. Break down the vast topics into manageable sections, assigning specific time slots for each. This creates milestones to track your progress, ensuring consistent preparation without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, it's not just about the hours you put in, but the quality of your study sessions. By dividing your workload effectively, you can focus on understanding and retaining information better, paving the way for your promotion success. To maximize your WAPS test preparation, it's essential to leverage a variety of study resources. Your first stop is the Air Force Study Guide website. This is your primary source for the latest Professional Fitness Examination (PFE) information and the Airman Handbook, also known as AFH1. Now, let's talk about some add-ons to your study routine. While the official sources should always be your foundation, these unofficial or commercial tools can help reinforce what you've learned, keep you motivated, and add some variety to your study sessions. One well-known option is the Macmillan Study Guides. They offer practice questions, flashcards, and in-depth breakdowns of both PFE and CDC material. If you're looking for something that organizes all the info into a clear, digestible format, Macmillan could be a great fit. For on-the-go learning, there are several paid apps and web platforms out there. They often provide condensed topic overviews, flashcards, and short quizzes you can knock out whenever you have a few minutes to spare. A popular choice is PDG Promote, available on iOS and Android. They even have an official site if you want to learn more. And if you're looking for a no-cost option, definitely check out Free PDG. By combining these resources, you create a comprehensive study experience covering all angles of the test material. This diverse approach broadens your understanding and helps identify areas needing improvement. To truly cement your knowledge, consider adopting a multi-pass study method. This involves revisiting the material multiple times, each pass reinforcing what you've learned. Highlight key points as you read. This repetition not only strengthens your understanding, but also aids in long-term retention. By emphasizing crucial information and revisiting it frequently, you'll find the details become second nature. Consistent review is key to mastering the content and excelling in your WAPS test. Flashcards can be your secret weapon when preparing for the WAPS test. Whether using digital apps or traditional paper cards, they offer a versatile way to memorize key concepts quickly. By focusing on bite-sized information, flashcards help reinforce your memory through repetition. Use them to review important facts and concepts anytime, anywhere. Incorporating flashcards into your study routine can significantly enhance your ability to retain critical information, making them an indispensable tool in your preparation arsenal. Practicing with mock exams is a crucial step in your WAPS test preparation. Simulating real test conditions helps you get a feel for the timing and format, reducing anxiety on the actual test day. Timed practice tests identify areas needing improvement, allowing you to focus your study efforts effectively. Regularly engaging in these mock exams ensures familiarity with the content and confidence in your ability to perform under pressure. It's all about building readiness and resilience. As you prepare for the WAPS test, remember that your physical and mental health is just as crucial as your study efforts. Prioritize getting adequate sleep, maintaining a balanced diet, and incorporating regular exercise into your routine. These elements enhance cognitive function and boost your overall study effectiveness. Taking care of your well-being ensures you're in the best possible shape to tackle the challenges ahead. As we conclude, remember that mastering the WAPS test is within your reach. Recap the strategies we've explored. Set a realistic study schedule, leverage diverse resources, and engage in consistent practice. Your dedication to these methods paves the way for success. Stay committed, invest in your preparation, and you'll be well on your way to earning that next stripe. If you found this content helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Air Force career tips and study hacks. Good luck on your exam, and we'll see you in the next video.